Gate time is go time. Wheels down, roll into the ramp time. It's get it done time. Safety built into our equipment time. Industry standard setting safety, we might add. Because a misstep here isn't in our DNA. A touchscreen system that trains operators on the spot. All to, you guessed it, save time. Boom arms that hold stronger. Cranks that crank easier. We get fuel in up to 1,000 gallons per minute and then get out right on time. Okay, now let's slow this down and show you how we plan, listen, support, create, so your every need is covered. We talk to you about your refueling needs, your special fuel pressure needs, customizing, dipping, cutting, testing, longer lasting lightweight aluminum, not clunky carbon steel time. You get out of this world in-house support. You call, we serve you, and you alone. It's about time someone did. We don't follow the pack. We lead it. We break out of the box. We think about what saves time, making things easier, faster, lighter, stronger, safer, better. On-time delivery, of course. The companies who rely on us say it best. Okay, back to work. We run on your time. It's the only time that matters. For refueling, it has to be fast. It has to be safe. It has to be reliable. It has to be beta. We don't waste anything, including your time.